Rigor mortis and the changes in the pH in the body. Rigor mortis, or postmortem rigidity, is the stiffness of the muscles and joints of the body post-death of a person, usually lasting between 1 to 4 days. It is the third stage and the most noticeable sign of death, which is due to the chemical changes in the muscles which brings about a stiffening of the muscles of limbs. It is also known as the stiffness of death. It shows up 2 hours after death and peaks 12 hours after death. The chemical changes in the muscles after death result in rigor mortis. When a person dies, the body no longer receives oxygen, and as a result, the chemical reactions and exchanges do not occur. The muscles cannot produce ATP. The actin and myosin filaments remain contracted and the muscles remain tense. Post-death, due to lack of respiratory activity in the corpse, there is a dramatic decrease in the pH level of the cells due to the synthesis of the pyruvic and lactic acid. The glycolysis and glycogen in the absence of oxygen in the muscles cause glycogen exhaustion, leading to the fewer ATP contractions where ATP would otherwise be used to detach the cross-linking of fibers. Hence, the related rigidity would be reversed. This rigidity is first noticed in the hands, targeted as smaller muscle groups, which extend from a span of 4 hours, eventually approaching larger muscles within 12 hours post-death, resulting in the body getting stiffened. It depends on the decreased levels of ATP at the time of death. Rigor mortis finds applications in the reconstruction of the postmortem period by maintaining the exact position of the body, displaying any efforts to move the corpse, which relies upon the rigidity of the body at the time of its discovery and time of factor. The body reverses to a floppy state after 36 to 40 hours from the time of death. During death, primary flaccidity takes place, causing stiffening of the muscles of jaws, eyelids, and neck. The order of areas affected differs depending on the lactic acid in the muscles, which is influenced by the glycogen in muscles. It then approaches toward internal organs, which depend upon the gender, physical build, and condition.